Hello everyone, greetings from JoyLot.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at these Gucci sunglasses model GG1220S in color code 001. The color of the frame is gold, and the lenses are gray. These glasses are also a pilot shape. Its temples are black, and you'll find the GG Gucci emblem in gold and the green and red Gucci coloring on its temple. This is the inside of the frame, and this is what you see when wearing the frame. The lenses are also UV protected. And this is the other temple. On its top right lens, you'll find the Gucci logo engraved. On its inner right temple is again the Gucci logo in gold, that it's made in Japan, and the serial number. On its inner left temple is the model number, color code, and dimensions of the frame. 59 is for its lens, 14 is for its bridge, and 145 is for its temples. The glasses also come with the Gucci hard case, although color and style may vary, and on the inside of the case is the Gucci logo in gold, a Gucci dust bag, a white and black Gucci cleaning cloth, a Gucci authenticity card, and a manufacturer booklet. This manufacturer is Caring. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested to check out these glasses or any of the glasses, head over to the link in the description and check out JoyLot.com and have a joyful day.